Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Look what I found. I'm so excited to try this out. This is an eyeliner. Can you believe this is an eyeliner? It has this tiny little reservoir right there. So you squeeze it through the tube, comes out through this tiny little reservoir, this cup, and then you take the brush and you dip it in there and you glide it on. Now I'm putting this to the test. Let's see if it actually works well. I do have to say though, I did put it on one eye and I kind of let the brush dry down by the time I got the camera on to do the next eye. So it does glide on a lot smoother. This is a very good brush. It was just a tad bit dry when I did the second eye, but like so excited. It is a matte eyeliner. Now I'm going to zoom you guys really close so you can see the consistency and how it goes on. This is probably like, woo, one of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before we get to that video, please, that zoomed in video pic, whatever you call it, video clip, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button down there, tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Let's go ahead and just get to that zoomed in video. Okay guys, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It looks like a tiny, tiny little cup on top, and then you squeeze it where the product comes out. Now this is pretty impressive. There the product came out. And look, if you lay it on its side, it doesn't even drip. It's almost between a liquid liner, see that consistency, and a gel. So let's go ahead and put it on the eyes. You guys can tell me what you think. Color is beautiful. So are you excited about this like I am? This is gonna be my new holy grail. Love it, absolutely love it. The only thing I wish is that it was waterproof. That's the only thing that I wish that it's not. But this is probably like my first or second favorite eyeliner from now on. And I love the fact that like it doesn't come out of the reservoir. Like it's so thick that you can have a lot there, lay it on its side and it will not drip. So I'm very impressed. When I saw the picture at first, I was like, how am I gonna hold it and then dip and then hold it? But no, you could just lay it on its side and it's fine. This sucker, I think is like $7 or $8 at the store. Maybe a little cheaper, I don't know. If I can find a link to it, I'll post it down below. If not, I did get this at Target. I believe any beauty store would sell it, any Target, Walmart, I would think. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button down there and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.